that's a wrap with this hair. I think it's a very cute, playful, and I love it with this print. But alright, let's go ahead and do my second style. And I'm gonna just cut this out. I know you guys like, what is wrong with her? But honey, I feel like this look or this outfit will be put together with these passion twists that I want to show you guys. So that's what we're about to get into. And this is how the hair looks. So beautiful. But I feel like it'll go with this outfit. It'll be flawless. Yes. Yes. Y'all be like, how you take this hair out, sis? I'll be forgetting to record those types of videos. So thank you for holding me accountable. I'll try to add more removal videos, but I have in the past and they don't do too well. But shoot, I guess it don't matter. At least I'm helping someone out. Ain't that about the truth? But yeah guys, that is it for my get ready with me video. If you like videos like this, thumbs it up so I know. If I get like 500 likes, then I guess I'll do more videos like this. But you know your girl don't like coming on camera and talking. I just like getting straight to the point. By the way, speaking of getting straight to the point, some of you guys, newbies, welcome to my channel. Welcome to SWANK'D Nation. I appreciate you. Welcome to the family. I don't know. I feel like a lot of people are now saying that I'm just too close. But I'm confused because that's like my style of recording and editing, and I only do that because I felt like when I was watching YouTube prior to me starting a channel, I just hated the fact that I couldn't see up close. Wasn't really showing a how-to tutorial, and that's what the video is about, for me to learn, and I felt like I wasn't really learning. So that's why I create my videos the way how I create them. So I'm just curious to know, how do you guys feel about my method of recording and zooming in and all those things? If you guys prefer me to just be out here and you know, I mean, doing hair is common sense, so I get it. But some people don't, they don't know. So I want to be able to put those on who are, you know, advanced, and those who are beginners. But let me know, because I'll definitely switch it up for you guys. I do not want you guys to be a part of the tribe, but then you're not satisfied, you know what I mean? I'm here to please you guys and also educate at the same time. So we're all learning together, we're all growing together. If you prefer I do my videos a certain way, please go ahead and comment below. I also want to do a giveaway of the Marley hair that I just installed. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go ahead and go to that video, and you're gonna state the reason why I should give you hair and then what type of hair you want. I'm gonna go ahead and give 2 packs of that Marley hair away, and then I'm gonna pick 3 other people, probably 4, and you can choose what hair you want me to buy for you. But you'll have to directly contact me. So obviously I'll get your information, and then we'll just, you know, do a back and forth for a little bit so I can figure out what you want. It'll be crochet hair or, you know, any type of braiding hair. And I would like to be a sponsor for your next hairstyle. How does that sound? Yes? Cool. Look at that. I didn't cut my hair. If you notice, I have not been cutting close to my scalp. For what, sis? For what? Just go like an inch away from your scalp and cut away. And then just pull on it. Pull, pull, pull. See, there I go again with the closeness. But anyways, you go ahead and just pull it. There's the knot right here. Pull. Pull. There you go. Okay? Pull, pull, pull. If you can't pull one leg, just go right to the knot, pull. And of course I'm gonna refresh my scalp. If you feel like your scalp is tender at the moment, just go ahead and spray something on it. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and spray, put my spray on to relieve my scalp. Woo! I don't have my label on because it's my personal bottle, and I just feel like that's a waste of money. Because I'm gonna throw this out if I don't recycle it. I do throw them out. Shame on me, but girl. Oh my goodness, this feels so good. It's very stimulating. The slip on this is amazing. Easier to put than those butterfly locks. And I'm just gonna breeze right through this because I don't have to do any of that extra work that the butterfly locks hair had me doing. Sis, it was a lot. Look at that. Tommy is not coming together, sis. Tommy is not coming together. Boy, I'm gonna be popping. And I'm bringing this down because I want the knot to lay at the bottom. So that's why I went from top down. Look at that, lays nice. Ooh. And again, you want to use the skinniest ones for the front. If you don't want to waste time, you see how I keep throwing my hook down? You don't have to, you could just pull the hair through. Hold the hook, keep it in your hand, pick up the next one, and then do it again. And that saves you some time during the install process. But I be extra, girl. I normally put it in my mouth. But yeah, I won't do that right now. Try to keep it classy. I don't like how this one went on. I don't like this one. This one is acting stubborn. There we go. Alright, that's a pack right there, and I did cut one out. But this is enough hair to get me through this whole style. That was one pack. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs in total. So hopefully I use like 6. But if I have to, then I'll go in and use the other packs. But yeah, I don't want it to be like too full, you know what I mean? I want it to be sitting right. I don't want to go big with this hairstyle. The other one I needed to go big because first off, butterfly locks is the bomb, and with that hair I just felt like it was really thick, and I could have did my partings a little bit bigger, but so yeah. If it's looking skimpy, then you can go ahead and add some more hair. So I'll probably add like 1 or 2 in here. I can add one more right here because it is looking kind of spacious right here, and I don't want it to look too skimpy. But at the same time, I don't want it to look too full where it buries my face. So I don't know. Now I'm gonna add one more because I could just bring this up like that. But what y'all think? I'm gonna add one more. I'll feel better adding one more. I'm gonna add a thin one. There we go. You see that? Yes. Yes for the fill-in. I think I want this to lay this way instead, so I'm gonna just take this out and reverse how I had put it in. So the first time I had put my crochet needle going that way. Instead, I'm gonna put it going this way so it lays towards my face. And there we go. You see that? Now it's laying forward this way. So because I did that, I'm gonna have to put one right here because it's now laying forward and I don't want my braid to show. So right there, I'm gonna put a fat one to fill in that gap. And because it's right in this area, I want this hair to fall backwards. So I'm gonna put my crochet needle going this way so that the loop can fall to the back instead of to the front. Look at that, see? Voila! And then I still have my partings right there. Stay tuned. I think I went too hot in that outfit. But I'm almost done. I just have the back to do. I do want to take this one out. It's not sitting with me well. I think I'm not gonna cut this one out because I only have like 7 more pieces left, or 8. So I'm gonna just take this skinny one and I'm gonna actually put it downwards. Oh, much better. Okay. Might cut some of the ends off, I don't know. And there's like a disconnect right here. So after I put on some product, I'm just gonna even it out. And voila. You see that disconnect? Yeah, I'm not feeling that, so I'm just gonna even it out. Check to see if I have any spaces I need to cover besides in here. You see that? Right in here. So that's where I'm gonna put in the rest of the hair. All the hair, and it doesn't even look like full or like big, you know what I mean? I like the fall. I love it. Okay. Take this off so the cut could be right. that's it for this get ready with me video. And it is, we started at 1 o'clock. It's not 4:14, honey. I had to make my battery charge for my camera. And while that was going on, I was doing a little video shoot with my phone and taking some photos. But yeah, I hope they're Insta worthy. If not, I don't care. I put it on my Facebook. I think I'm cute or whatever. I'm cute and you can't tell me nothing, sis. I'm cute. I probably won't wear it like this. Most likely I won't. But it's fun, it's cute, it's short. I love the color. It actually goes well with my complexion. When I first did this color, it was a few years ago, and my mom was like, it looks so nice. And I was like, girl, no. I don't like it, but I actually like it. It's growing on me. Anywho, get into this hair, girl. Passion Twist by Toyotress. I'll go ahead and leave their information down below. Oh, yes. Alright, guys. Thanks for rocking with me for today and getting ready with me. It got extremely hot in that outfit, so I'll put it on later. I'm gonna go ahead and get my nails done and then come back and eat some ice cream and then chat it up with you guys in the comment section. Until next time.